Well, hey everybody, happy Thursday. Boy, it's been some exciting trading here and big opportunities since our super event that we did Tuesday evening. Timing couldn't have been better. Told you a lot of volatility was coming, a lot of really incredible trading opportunities. So, where we stand right now with this market, we went ahead and opened at the channel this morning and then rallied back up to the speed lines on the SPY. And the Dow, we opened slightly below the channel, but then got right back up into the channel. So neither of them have had even a one bar close down below the channel. That being said, whenever we're in the channel as a whole, frankly, remember whenever we're below the speed lines, we always start to go ahead and temper back and take much more selective trades. And there was some real doozies today, like Costco, for instance. Yesterday, we went ahead and we locked in one of those stochastic spikes and also one of my trades called the TC20 trade, only to go ahead and come all the way back up here. And boy, that was a super opportunity, especially in light of the fact that Costco on the daily has been 5+ days, on the weekly has been 5+ weeks, and it's been 5 months on Wealth Finder there. And of course, we've seen it here in some of the other scans and tools. So really great stuff. And so when you have those kind of things and the market hands you that gift of that pullback, those are some really incredible opportunities. And then Fund Hunter went ahead and fired off Macy's this morning. Macy's went ahead and announced their $500 million buyback here early hours. And so then we launched a Champions House Pro RT, an acceleration alert, then acceleration alert, and rapid trade identifiers. Bottom line is it launched all those different signals I told you about here Tuesday evening, and then took off here from roughly the 19.5 area and continued on up here with signal after signal going up here into the session and got all the way up here into the 22s. So really great stuff. So I'm looking forward to going and building upon those things that I taught you Tuesday night that you're already now going ahead and seeing here with some of the different setups and strategies, using kind of a culmination of my life's work and putting them together with other strategies like TC20s, like stochastic spikes, and countless others. So what we're going to do is, obviously Tuesday's night class was not recorded here, so we're going to go ahead and have you guys go to becomeabettertrader.com/go, becomeabettertrader.com/go, and you'll be able to go ahead and join us then this Saturday morning. This will be the last time in the series that we're going ahead and doing that class, so make sure you go ahead and join us Saturday morning. As you know, it's been several months and it's going to be a long time again now till I do this class, so you're really going to want to be here. It is worth every minute of that time Saturday morning. So it's going to be Saturday morning, 10 a.m. Eastern, 9 o'clock Central, 7 a.m. Pacific, and be there. And as you saw, even Tuesday night, I stayed with you late into the evening to answer questions and help you guys out. I'm going to do that Saturday morning there as well. So this is something that can't be missed, especially given where the market is right now. And what's happening here. You need to have these strategies in hand. So I will look forward to seeing you Saturday morning, and keep building upon that learning that I gave you Tuesday night, and then we'll drive it home with more Saturday morning. Have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see you Saturday morning. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.